Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to configure React project with Git from scratch. This is the second part of Git setup. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to github.com and log into your account. Click on New to create a new repository. Enter repository name and click on Private option. I will make it public so you all can access it. Click on Create Repository. Now we will create a new project with Git. Open command prompt and go to your Git folder. Enter command npm init and enter details as shown in video. Also copy-paste Git repository name and enter here. After entering all details, it will automatically configure Git in project. Now enter another command npm install to install all dependencies. Now if you check your Git folder, it will have Node modules as well as React project. Edit package.json file and under Git details add start and light option under scripts. Now, if we run npm start command, it will run an open browser with localhost 3000. But we have not added index.html file, so let's add it and refresh. It will display the contents of index file, in our case hello world. So, we have configured our React project with Git in our system successfully. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.